So we are in historic Newcastle, and some of the roads here have the old cobblestone. Quite a trip driving up here too. So Dexter and Levi are going to snoop around and see what we can find. And lots of people walking, already seeing lots of dogs out. The weather broke for us. The rain stopped. It's going to be a great day. And Levi and Chris are joining us in our next little excursion. Levi's ready for Dexter. 1682, William Penn. Alright, so let's go take a peek. Wow. Some really old graves here. We're going to keep the boys on the path so they don't disrespect any of the resting people. Newcastle Common. And right over to the side of that, we have Mr. William Penn. Very ornate. It's always interesting to see the craftsmanship on these things. The Green Ore Market Plane. And as you can see from Dexter, he is doing a nice big sniffy. My guess is a lot of other dogs have as well. And it's a nice open spot for walking, pottying. There's some benches around, and it's paved too. We have the old brick sidewalks throughout the area. Very nice and historic. Beautiful. Here are some of the buildings down the street, obviously. It's lined with nice bricks, and it's the Newcastle Courthouse Museum in there. Landing place of William Penn, 1682. So we're sneaking in the back way of Battery Park, right off the main drag. So they have a pretty big area for the kids too. Nice open foot space, some swings and slides, of course the great view. Trees are starting to blossom. Some grass. Go, Levi, go! We're getting closer. Oh, wait. Levi's on the hunt for something. Oh, did you see that spin around? He's tracking something. Oh. If it's food, Dexter will find it. Don't think it was food. Frenchtown Railroad. So there's lots of nice historical markers around to kind of give you a little history lesson. And we are going to spin around and see what this building is. My guess is it might be a ticket spot for when they had the railroads. And believe it or not, I was right. It is a ticket office, Newcastle Frenchtown Railroad, 1832. It's not often I guess history correctly. So from the pier, you can pick up the path, and that leads you down to where we started. And then the playground is over there. And the restrooms are in the back there, which were open. Alright, so we are checking out the pier. And we did not see any no dogs allowed, which is nice because a lot of piers are no dogs allowed. Of course, a lot of piers are fishing piers too, which can be a safety issue for dogs. So we have some great views here at Battery Park's pier. Here comes Levi and Chris. Levi sees Dexter. Look at him go. There he comes. There he comes. There they go. Each Wednesday, I'll be uploading new content, so don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell.